Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore, and this is metro train in Singapore. Luckily, very less people today. Otherwise, at office time it's almost full. But still people are maintaining social distancing. We'll be let you know soon where we are going. We need this card to tap in for entry and exit in each station. We can use trains as well bus service too by using the same card and can top up in each station. Now where we are here to come for grocery shopping. This is warehouse by FairPrice and where we will get all the household things at best price. Generally for grocery shopping, people choose FairPrice because their rates are less compared to other stores and quality of food and things are best. Other than that, there are many options for grocery shopping like Mustafa Center, FairPrice, Little Farms, Kartika Enterprises and local market where the things and foods item will be get in low price too. Other than that, there are many online options available too like Panda Mart, Red Mart, Wangu, My India, Singapore, etc. Christmas is around the corner, so we can see many things related to that are available and look so beautiful. Now here we can get some of our Indian grocery items also like suji, different varieties of dal or pulses, all kind of Indian masalas, spices, not that much varieties like you will get an Indian store in Little India or Mustafa Center, but yes, one can manage with the things. Basmati rice and house brand wheat flour also available here. For Starbucks coffee lover, there are many options available. In Warehouse Club, you will get all the kitchenware, household cleaners, pharmacy product, meat, fresh produce, dairy items, baked related things. All the things you will get here. Here my husband is speaking sanitizers, small bottles for kids. Here I am putting sausages and frozen peas in our trolley, and after searching a lot, finally I got plain nuggets for Eliza. As she loved it, she doesn't like popcorn or different kind of nuggets, just the plain one she liked. So my husband removing other ones. Here right now in Singapore, no new cases of Omicron variant. So far, everything is in control and hopefully it won't spread in Singapore as well all over the world. Wish things sorted out soon and everyone could meet their loved one in their home country, as we too really wanted to go India and meet our family. Hope to see them all soon if conditions are better. Some cereals for breakfast for kids. And this new rainbow one is really nice, kids loved it. And this section is full of kitchen use daily basis things. And my husband bought this rope or string for hanging clothes. We took these Horlicks packets instead of Milo as we searching for Milo, but we couldn't find it. As you can see, they hanged rate tags along the goods, so it's easy to decide what to take or not instead of see the bottom part of the package. And later we got Milo at the corner, so we took Milo and removed Horlicks as kids like more the taste of Milo in milk. Now, as compared to India, definitely Singapore is expensive in all aspects. Beautiful decorated pieces for Christmas tree. There are huge collection of chocolates as well. Some beautiful fresh flowers. And these are artificial ones. Breads and buns area. Time to get some fruits and vegetables. That's a halal meat corner, and we got 2 packets of chicken from there. One is boneless and one with bones. That's a chilled area for fruits. And it's a dragon fruit. We used to have in Indonesia also. I took some grapes, apple and oranges from here. This is veggies section. And I have taken green coriander leaves and spinach from this section. Came outside and there were a huge collection of books for kids. I need it for this long time, so I have taken this one. And our shopping is almost done, so it's billing time now. Billing has been done and we got some lucky draw slips on the occasion of the Christmas. And overall our experience is very good here, reasonable price with good stuff. We'll be showing you in few moments what all the things we got from here. That's the outer area of Warehouse Club. Some food courts are here. Now we came out and waiting for the taxi. Beautiful cloudy weather today. Our taxi has arrived and we are in the taxi. So we reached home safely, and these are general things which we bought from store: breads, Maggi, Milo, some biscuits, fruits, Meiji milk, cooking oil, some coffee sachets, spray, juices, vegetables, tissue box, suji, wheat flour, nuggets, etc. So on that note, ending this video now, and hope you like and enjoy my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and give me thumbs up if you really like my video so that I know. Will be see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.